Hello everybody. I am on my way over to HomeGoods to try to get a replacement tea kettle because the other morning when I was making myself a cup of tea, I decided that it would be perfectly fine for me to sit for a few minutes and continue looking at what I was checking out on the internet. Big surprise. And what happened was, unfortunately, the whistling tea kettle stopped whistling. And while it stopped whistling, the pot was dry. And you know that smell when you burned all the water out of a pot and it's got that black liner the inside of the pot? It's one of those non-stick. It's a non-stick interior. In any case, it came out really black when I tried to clean the pot. The outside of the pot that was a bright yellow had turned bright orange. It was all bad. I'm afraid, obviously, with all the things that I've been through this year, to take a chance and to use a pot that may create some issues with some chemical, whatever, composition that might be now loose. So I'm on my way to HomeGoods. Now, I wanted to show you, I had to reapply the Emile Cordon. I had to reapply the lip product because I had pretty much chewed off all of my lipstick with my lunch. So I tried the other one and I like it just as much. Look at, I mean, I'm wearing a matte lipstick with it and it's got this really nice look to it because it's got a really nice shine. There's nothing sticky about it. It really feels like you're putting a layer of either silk or velvet over it. It feels absolutely wonderful. So I am delighted with this. I can tell already that it's going to be something that I use a lot, and I'm really so happy that they sent it to me. So on that note, I'm going to get going, and perhaps I will do a little bit of a walkthrough in HomeGoods with my trusty little camera so I can show you what's going on. That's if I can walk and chew gum at the same time. I will see you soon. Okay, here I am searching for my replacement of my tea kettle. I'm kind of looking at this one.
John, line one.
This it's stainless. I think the nice thing about this one is it's got this release lever, so you can do it with one hand rather than having to open it up when it's steaming hot. My last one I really loved. It was yellow, but I don't see anything like it here. They do have a little white one, and that's kind of cute. They also have this in gray. It's kind of cute too. I think they're all about the same price. I'm not sure. Big decision. Great. I love this company's stuff. Joseph. I have a drawer organizer for my kitchen drawer from the company. Look at this. Everything fits inside. It's so good to be able to nest the locket. It's leak-proof. It's 10 pieces. It's a really nice storage container option. Look at these. These are nice to be able to store your stuff. Oh, I like the way this one is made. Oh, this is more expensive than the others. It has the pour spout on the top. That's great. So you don't have to take the top off necessarily. You can just open it. Maybe. I can't do it with one hand. I don't know how you guys do that. I just got back from HomeGoods, and while I was there, I had to replace my tea kettle because that's the one I almost burned the house down with the other day. So I happened to see this there. Take a look at this. Isn't that pretty? I really thought it was so nice. Let me show it to you. Take a look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that going to be pretty? It has just a little bit of sparkle. I thought that would really be nice. There are 2 towels. I've had a gift card from HomeGoods for, it's embarrassing to tell you, I think it's going on 6 years. I was afraid they weren't going to honor it anymore. So I decided, since I had to get my tea kettle, I would also pick this up. I thought that was really cute. I got 2 different ones, and I said I'm going to return one because I wasn't sure which one was going to look the best, but I really love this one. I love the silver and the gold. I tend to love silver and gold. This one is pretty too, but it's just a little bit too subtle. It has that 1 row of bling, but it's just a tiny bit too plain. Take a look. The other one just has much more pop. So this is cute, and I fear that these would pop off when it's washed anyway. So this one's going to go back. I need your help making a decision. Am I going to keep the teapot on the right? It is made of stainless steel. It's heavier than the other one. I mean, it's a really nice pot, but it sort of looks very plain now that I see it on the stove with the other pots. Or should I keep this one? This is a pretty good replica of the one that I burned to a crisp. The other one was yellow, and I really loved the color. It was a bright yellow. But I don't know, which one do you like better? The stainless or the red? The stainless or the red? You tell me.